guys, welcome to Hanwoori Korean Restaurant. We're working on a project here where we're updating all of the tables in the restaurant with architectural film. Essentially what we're doing is giving the tables a brand new look and finish without having to change the tables. We've essentially done all of the tables in this area. And one of the unique things about this restaurant is that each table has its own individual grill. So one of the issues with having a grill in the middle of the table is that we've got a flame which could potentially damage the vinyl. One of the benefits of this architectural film that we're using is that it has fire retardant properties in it. So we don't actually need to worry about the heat and the flame. The other bonus is that it has a great, durable, strong finish. This allows the restaurant owner to use fairly harsh chemicals and even alcohols to help clean off all of the oil that gets spit onto the table. And so they're using a fairly aggressive cleaner, but it won't damage the finish of this film, which is a real key bonus. The big bonus for the restaurant owner is he's got a brand new look with a fraction of the cost of having to change the tables. We've been in here for about 3 mornings and we're able to wrap everything up really quickly. Versus if you were to change out all the tables and bring in different trades, you'd probably be looking at about a week to 2 weeks of full potential downtime. Where what we were able to do was come in before the restaurant opens, work on the tables, and the restaurant has 0 downtime. So we've been able to work with the restaurant throughout the process of updating their tables at a fraction of the cost of bringing in new tables with very little disruption. This has been a great project and I know that the restaurant owner is going to be really happy with the outcome.